Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss various conduits and electrical accessories. Objective: at the end of this video, you should be able to identify the different conduits for electrical wiring, identify accessories used for electrical wiring. PVC conduit for electrical wiring. PVC stands for polyvinyl chloride, which is a tenacious, chemically resistant synthetic resin. A PVC electrical conduit is commonly known as a white, rigid PVC tube for threading and protecting wires from corrosion and electrical leakage. PVC electrical conduit pipes are available in sizes of 19 mm, 25 mm, 32 mm, 40 mm, 50 mm, and 63 mm diameter with a standard length of 12 feet. PVC conduits are mostly used for domestic wiring applications. GI conduit for electrical wiring. GI conduit, also known as galvanized iron conduit, is made of high-quality galvanized cold-rolled steel plate. Galvanized iron conduits and the accessories provide fire protection since they are flame retardant. GI conduits are manufactured with thread at each end for coupling or extending. 20 mm and 25 mm are the two sizes of GI conduit pipes, each 12 feet long. GI conduits are used for industrial wiring, coastal lines, chemical, casing and capping. Casing and capping is one of the oldest and most popular wiring systems still in use today. It's an electrical wiring method where PVC insulated wires are placed in plastic casings and covered with a cap. The casing and capping system is often used for household wiring, wire distribution, and protection of other wiring systems, offices, and devices with low voltage use. The casing is commonly a rectangular strip, and its channel and cap are usually gray or white. The standard case and cap length is 39.4 inches, and it comes in sizes of 1.5 inches in width and 0.8 inches in thickness. Conduit accessories. Junctions are available in one-way, two-way, three-way, and four-way and are used to split up the wire routing wherever required. Available in both PVC and GI with 19 mm and 25 mm. Sealing roses. Sealing roses are used to provide tapping, points from the wiring for supplying power to fans, pendant holders, tube lights, etc. Normally, flexible wires are used for tapping from the sealing roses. It shall not be used on the circuit, the voltage of which normally exceeds 250 volts. Tumbler switch. It is a 5 amp current rating switch which is used in domestic electrical wiring. It is also known as a surface switch. It can be fitted onto a wooden board or a round block. It is made of bakelite in various shapes and designs. Flush switch. These switches are fixed flush with the wall and do not project out. Such types are used where high quality performance and appearance are desired. Nowadays, in every newly built house, such types of switches are used. Sometimes these switches are called piano-type switches. All the above switches are made for 5 amps, 250 volts, and 15 amps, 250 volts. Knife switch. The knife switch consists of blades hinged at one end and arranged to go into forked terminals or jaws at the other end. These are available as single throw switches or double throw switches. These are used for electroplating work. It may be of the single throw or double throw type. Toggle switches. It is an electric switch operated by means of a projecting lever that can be moved upward and downward and is also called snap switches. Current rating 3, 6, 10, 16, 20 and 25 amps. Voltage rating 125 volts and 250 volts AC. Size 8, 10, 12, 15, etc. Knob type brass, plastic, oval, round, flat, etc. Fan regulator. A fan regulator is a crucial component that serves to increase or decrease the speed of your fan according to your needs. IC main switch. An IC main switch has a case made of cast iron, which is why it is called an iron-clad main switch. Porcelain fuse cutouts are fitted inside the switch, and a handle is fitted outside the switch. A square-shaped bakelite rod is attached to the handle. These are the following types. An ICDP, iron-clad double-pole main switch, is used for single-phase supply control and is made of 15 amps, 30 amps, 60 amps, 100 amps and 250 volts. ICTP, iron-clad triple pole. Main switch used for three-phase supply control and is made for 15 amps, 30 amps, 60 amps, 100 amps, 150 amps, 200 amps and 500 volts. Three-phase, four-wired main switches are also available. On neutral, the fourth wire link is used. Outlet accessories. These accessories are used to take the supply for the portable appliances like table fans, TVs, electric irons, etc. The standard ratings shall be 6, 16 and 32 amperes and 240 volts. 2-pin socket. This socket is rated as 6A 240 volts and has only 2 pins without an earth connection. These are suitable only for double insulated appliances having PVC or insulated body. 3-pin socket. This type of socket is suitable for both light and power circuits. These sockets are rated at 6 amps at 250 volts or 16 amps at 250 volts and are available as surface mounting type or flush type. There are 3 terminals marked as line L, neutral N and earth E. 2-pin plug top. It is used for taking the supply from the socket. It has 2 pins of the same size. 3-pin plug top. It is used for taking the supply from the socket. It has 3 pins, 2 are similar in size, and the third one is bigger and longer, which is for earth. These are also rated as 6 amps 250 volts or 16 amps 250 volts. These are made up of bakelite and PVC materials. Lamp holders. A lamp holder is used to hold a lamp. Earlier, brass holders were most commonly used, but nowadays these have been replaced by bakelite holders. These may contain solid or hollow spring contact terminals. Fuses. A fuse is a safety accessory. It is connected in series with the circuit and protects the electrical apparatus and equipment from damage when excess current flows. Thank you for watching. You have a good day.